How to use explosive arrowheads in your whiteout survival. Now, this item can be earned via a few intel missions, but the arrows can specifically use on the bear trap event. So this event is specifically for the alliance event. You can take a look if it's available for your server, but currently in the server we're in, it is not currently available, unfortunately. So take a look at here, but there's no bear trap event. So I think we do have a few explosive arrows in our inventory right now. So we're gonna take a look at that right now. Since it should just show us a specific use for it. Here it is. So effectively raises the alliance hunting trap level, causing more damage to the raging bear. So you can use this once you have set up the trap or the alliance has already done so. So you should be able to see a specific button once the bear trap event is going on. You can go ahead to that event in the event menu, and it's gonna increase the level or the potential damage of your bear trap. But that is the general idea on how to use this item for your whiteout survival. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.